Hi, so I want to review Omiana's lip liners and eyeliners today. I want to first start off their eyeliners. Okay, I want to first start saying I just found this out, but they used to have a color plum, which is this color at the bottom, which is definitely like a deep plum color, deep purple. I want to say it's a blue-based purple, but apparently from looking at their website, they don't have it anymore. The other colors they have that I have is cocoa, which is this, I want to say medium tone deep brown, and they have slate, which is a grayish black color, like it's in between gray and black. Slate, like what it's called. Um, the eyeliners, I will say, they are long lasting compared to other brands that don't have mica and talc and titanium dioxide. They do have two other colors that do have mica in them. They have a golden brown and also a shimmer blue that has mica. And I don't use mica or anything with mica in it. I don't believe that they claim that the mica is. Yeah, they don't claim that the mica is ethically sourced, so that's the reason why I'm like a little skeptical about recommending them. But the slate color, it's definitely like not quite black, but it's definitely a dark gray, and then the cocoa is definitely neutral deep brown from what I experienced. They do wear pretty well. Like I'm wearing the cocoa right now, and I've enjoyed it quite a bit. But yeah, I've liked them so far. Okay, so for their lip liners, the first color on my hand is their Tender Rose, which I almost want to say is kind of like a warm, deep peach color. Not quite terracotta, but definitely like a warm peach. The next is their berry color. Um, it's definitely cool base. I will say that much. And then their spice is warm, like a warm base brown. And then their, make sure I know the color that I'm saying before just saying it. Cinnabar. It's a, yeah, like what I think what I said before. It's definitely a warm reddish brown. But I will have to say, I don't think the colors are very inclusive for all skin tones. If you are fair to light skin tone, I think these colors are great. But if you're medium or anything darker, honestly, I don't think the brand is really that friendly for all skin tones. That's the only reason why I'm a little bit skeptical about recommending them, because I do believe that brands, especially if they're going to supposed to be free of mica, talc, and titanium dioxide, I mean, it doesn't matter what skin tone you have, you should be able to use their makeup and have products that work for you. But yeah, like they do, like you can see, like it's still on my hand after scrubbing it off. They do last pretty long, so I guess that's a plus. But how inclusive they are, I think that's definitely a negative. Um, I also have their eyeliner or lip liner. I'll show you it. But yeah, I have their sharpener. I don't like it because in terms of cleaning, I found it quite difficult. I like when the cap completely comes off. It does come with the little stick inside, so you can easily, clean it out. Let me try getting it out now so I can show you. So yeah, it's nice. I like the little stick. I appreciate that. But I didn't find it that easy to clean out, in my opinion. And also for an $8 sharpener, I did expect something that worked a little bit better. If I'm being completely honest, I think the blades were okay on it, but I don't know. I have my Ulta liner sharpener, and it was like I think like $4, maybe $5, and it worked a lot better than this, in in my opinion, it wasn't worth it. I am kind of disappointed that their plum shade they no longer have, because I really liked this color before. But they have, don't mind the label fell off. That's one thing I did not like. The labels are like stick on, so they kind of come off over time. But the slate was nice. The grayish black color and the dark cocoa was pretty, or cocoa was pretty. And their lip liners, I have to say, they're not very inclusive. The berry is great if you have like light to fair skin. So is the spice and the tender rose. And then the cinnabar, it's okay. Like I'm wearing right now, you can see it's not really that dark of a color. So yeah, it's not very much of an inclusive brand. But if you do have fair to light skin tone, it'll work for you. But yeah, the brand's okay. It's not my favorite. But yeah, this is my review, and it's not the longest lasting, but it lasts pretty well for for a while, especially for a brand that doesn't have Tika milk and titanium dioxide. But yeah, this is a review, and thanks for watching. Okay, bye.